Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with your morning market stir for Monday, June the 9th. Another week, another record. Closed on the highs last week. We were up 0.5% on the day in the markets on Friday. E-mini S&P was up 10 and 3/4, 1949 and a quarter. The high of the session, the all-time high, 1949 and a half, ended up being up 1.3% in the E-mini S&P last week. Dow futures also positive, 114, 16,932, closing in on 17,000, up 1.1 and a quarter% on the week last week. The big leader, the Nasdaq, up 22, a full V recovery, 37.98, up 1.9% last week itself, to total now 27% in the last 52 weeks. An impressive run and a more impressive comeback in the Nasdaq after being down 9% and having those lows April 15th. The dollar index down 24, 80.43. The euro was up 11 at 136.47. It did actually gain 19 points on the week, believe it or not. With that ECB rate cut, it did have a little bit of a bounce back. Bonds doing nothing on the day on Friday, 135.12, down 1. Crude oil had a tight range, a 77-point range between the high and the low, ended up finishing down 5 cents on the week, a nickel, closed at 102.66, up 18. And gold didn't go lower, unchanged, 12.53. It did actually gain $6.50 on the week, though it felt like it was still very, very heavy. Well, after the record action last Friday, where did the market stand here on this Monday morning? Well, we're off a little bit. We're off 2 points at 1947 and a quarter. Dow futures are down 10, 16,922. The Nasdaq's down 2.5 at 37.95. But again, up 27% coming into today total in the last 52 weeks. Dollar up 10 at 80.52. Euro currency backing off a little bit, 136.21. Keep an eye on that 136 level where it's been basing out here over the last couple weeks. Bonds down 6, 135.05. The yields have pushed back higher. The 30-year, 3.45, and the 10-year notes at 2.62%, so solidly back above the 2.5 pivot that we've been talking about in the 10-year note. Crude oil up 67 cents at 103.33. Again, that cap up above that's held over the last couple weeks is 104.50 to keep an eye on. And gold, making a base possibly, up $4 at 12.57. So to wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we're down 2 points in the E-mini S&P, 1947 and a quarter, but still very close to the all-time forever highs. Dow futures are down 10. I will see you early Tuesday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.